It might not sound impressive to you out there, but through my headphones it's nice. It's compressed, lovely, lovely compression.
Hello. It's been a while since I've made a video, but now I'm on the way to Orsa, a village nearby, to meet a friend. We're gonna make some music. Let's go. Here we are. Hi man, I'm downstairs.
You're early. I would love to try to get rid of this pedal board somehow.
Yeah.
Because it's not. At the minute, this is just a big power station, but I don't know if I have. Yeah, no plug.
Then let's move it under the table.
Yep.
Cool.
I'm thinking about layering on some cajon on this too.
Ooh.
Because I have it, so why not use it?
Okay, and it kind of fits the style.
Yeah. That also kind of makes it better because it looks like I could use all these things that I own, but I'm just using this little boy.
Yeah. And look how much
so
space.
much room for activities. Yeah, that's my cajon,
Yeah.
It's black, it matches the whole.
Yeah, I didn't see it
get
from
up.
the get-go. Thought it was just like a sitting box.
That's my lucky sitting stool. You can take away my dignity, you can take away my pain, but you cannot take away my sitting stool. Because the world that you live in makes it feel like you're mentally ill. Yeah, because the world that you live in. Hey GoPro, start recording. Thank you.
An answer from GoPro would be cool.
Yeah, welcome.
Just like the snow coming down on a rooftop just north of Maine. Just like a deer in the headlights walking past while he's still in pain. Backing down from a fight when it's time to ignite the flame. Because the world that you live in makes it feel like you're insane. Just like a turkey in the straw, hey. Hey, it's like an itch you can't ignore, hey. Hey, there's not a lot left to explore, hey. Hey, it's like a turkey in the, just like a turkey in the, just like a turkey in a straw.
And it's a wrap.